How to backup chats on Viber. Want to make sure you never lose your important Viber chats, photos, and videos? Backing up your chats is easy, and I will show you how to do it in just a few taps. First things first, open your Viber app and tap the More button. That's the three little lines in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings to access all your Viber options. In Settings, go to Account. From the available options, tap on Viber Backup. Here you will see the option to backup your chats to your cloud account, Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone. Make sure you are signed in to your cloud account first. Tap Backup now to start backing up your chats. Depending on the size of your chats, photos and videos, this may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your chats are safely stored in the cloud. You can also set up automatic backups. Just choose how often you want Viber to back up your chats, daily, weekly or monthly, and it will happen automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. And that's it. Your Viber chats are now safely backed up, ready to restore whenever you switch devices or reinstall the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.